Hey. You'll never guess what just happened. You'll never guess what just happened, chat. I'm so fucking annoyed, actually. Damn, I'm so mad I could just scream. Fuck me. I have my wife to thank for this. Unfucking believable. Unbelievable. Wait till you see this shit. Fuck. I gotta let the DCA gang know that I'm live. I'm so fucking pissed right now. Right now, right this second, I just saw it right before I hopped on. I'm like, you gotta be fucking kidding me. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Let me let the DCA gang know that I'm fucking live over here if they want to hang out. All right. Oh, let me log into all my shit because I'm not logged into everything. I'm so fucking pissed. Let's just say I had to cancel an order in a certain spot that I was waiting on because my wife needed me to go get fucking chicken so she could cook it for the fucking dogs. And it fucking hit it. And I'd be up fucking, I mean, it was a lot more than I needed, but I would have had more than enough. I need chicken for the dogs. Fuck them dogs. Just cost me fucking money. Like $600 worth of fucking money. Why don't you ask me at night to get chicken? Don't ask me during the fucking while I'm fucking trading. Oh my god. I'm so fucking pissed. You don't even fucking know. Wait till you see this shit. Anyway, let me turn my screen on. I need chicken. Fuck them dogs. During trading hours, obviously. Watch this shit. Well, here's a couple of things. Well, I'll show you here. I'm not even logged in here either. Hold on a second. I need chicken. I need chicken. I need fucking chicken. Times 8 because it was in a fucking my group of 8 accounts. Fuck. Anyway, watch this. Finally on the board for February. Finally on the fucking board for February. I need chicken. Let me show you what else is going on. So last night I was trading in my Tradeday. Well, hold on a sec. Hold on. Day 5 lots, baby. These are all passed now. Remember, Take Profit Trader has no activation fee. 40% off. With the best fucking code 0DayJ. So Sunday night going into Monday, I will have 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. Now, trade day. Last night, I'm fucking trading this shit last night. I don't know if whoever was on the stream, if you were on the stream. If you were on the stream last night watching me trade last night, put a 7 in the chat. Put a 7 in the chat if you were on the stream last night and you saw me go down over $1,000 on my funded trade day accounts, my 3 funded trade day accounts. Put a 7 in the chat if you were there. you guys remember that shit, right? Well, here's where they're at now. Oh! I made it a lot harder than I needed to. All I had to do was hold that one trade I was in. I was in 8 fucking micros. And all I had to do was hold, and I would have been up a lot more because it fucking dumped like 500 ticks. But I'll take this. Once I got up this much, I was like, you know what? I got almost all my drawdown back. I'm up $736 overall. I'm treating these like Apex accounts, right? I'm not trying to get a day one payout, even though it was the second day. All that matters is that I'm fucking green here, 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 here. Now, well, before I break down all my fucking Apex accounts, look at this shit. Look at the order I had to cancel. There was a couple. Is this fucking thing? There we go. So I had orders down here, right here at 57.75. Let me move my fucking head out of the way so you can see. So I'm not just fucking saying shit, right? So here they are. I had to cancel a bunch of shit. But I was waiting for this to come down and hit this fucking 786. 57.75. It comes down. I just got back. I probably got back from getting chicken like on this candle. I need chicken. There it is, 57.75. And it went up fucking almost 50 fucking points. And that was for all 8 of these accounts. 68 to 70 fucking 5. I'm only up $68 because I got fucked around with and dicked around with over here by the fucking NQ. And I was down like $700 and got it all back plus 68. And then I missed getting filled here. Right? Where was it? Right here? Yeah, watch this. You want to see some fucked up shit? Oh, wait, you can't see those accounts. I got to move this back over. There we go. I had a fucking order to go short up here. Right here, 12 something. I posted it in the Discord. In the Discord chat. The best fucking community on these prop firm streets. Watch. So I missed this while I was actively trading. Look, my order was at 112. It came up to 110 and then dropped. It actually dropped. That was here, right fucking here. It dropped like fucking, how many points did it drop? 10, 45 fucking points. You gotta be fucking kidding me. And then, I need chicken. I need you to get me chicken because I'm out of chicken for the dogs. And then this fucking happens while I'm out getting fucking chicken. This order right here gets fucking, would have gotten filled and I'd be fucking having a great day with these accounts. Yo, who's here? Just ain't right. Mwah. Peace shenanigan. Who else is here? Mike Huddleston's burner? What the fuck? Oh, it's Equalizer. What up, bro? Yo, Dream Chaser. P. Jose Carlos. Anthony Jr. MAGA Musketeer. Any chicken! Jose Carlos. Robin Trades. That might have been my only opportunity to get more money on those accounts. DAAA. Vero. Rick. Chase. Oh, the 786 is fucking beautiful, man. Jack Boom. Carbonite. Coach HID in the place to be. Thomas. Hotshot. Oh, yeah, always fucking fun blowing accounts, right? So much fun. Remember yesterday what I did? It was fucking amazing. Isaac, what up? Got your first live account payout today. Fuck yeah, bro. Would love to see it, man. Marco, Vinny Lee, TJP, Jordan, Simplistic. Put a 7 in the chat. You guys are funny. Matty Matt, C. Charisse, Vinny Lee, Marcos, Danksier, Sly Fox, John Q, Ice Cube. Yo, did you request yet? No, wait, you're requesting today, right? Fucking guys, killing it. JP. Crank. Sean. Mark. Jessica. Barlow. Lonnie. John Q. Did I get everybody? Did I get everybody? Jonathan Trentwell. Benny. Bring back the leaf blow. We haven't had that. Oh my God, look at this shit. Yeah, see? Motherfucker. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade anymore. Although I was waiting on the longer term. Look at this. We just missed touching the 707 on this longer term, this larger time frame fib here. Here's a high, here's a low. We're just right there. I thought before it was gonna go and take out the fucking previous day's high, but that's what that's where I started trading in this area. And it was more than enough for me to get what I needed. And I missed getting filled by 2 fucking points, not even 7 ticks. And then I had to go get fucking chicken. Benny. Yeah, I got the chicken at least. Fuck that shit. Gian Rich. Crank. Bobby Digital. Pimp Daddy. What's up, motherfucker? Oh, you go to New Orleans for baseball games? That sounds fun. Kenny. Bacon. Psychic Trader. Alfred. Nayo. FL Trader. Kasalisk. Tony Gold. Anonymous Giraffe. Oh, shit. Chicken. Motherfucker, man. I'm so fucking pissed. Now what am I going to do? I can't trade this shit. So let me break down. Keegan Murphy. Let me break down some shit. You saw me get approved on that one payout, right? Today I'm going to be requesting what I'm pretty sure I'm going to be able to request 2,000 on these 6 because it's my 4th payout. My 4th payout with an Apex account. Never been done before. For me, I've never done it before. Are we at the 707 yet? So fucking close. I don't trust it to pull back here, though it might. What's gold doing? What's gold doing? I want to pass these. So let's move. Let's see. How many ticks does this move? 700 to fucking 814. Interesting. A happy little Fibonacci. Look at that fucking bounce. Another happy little Fibonacci. Oh my God. So you got a 786 bounce here. You got a 707 rejection here. So glad I was out getting fucking chicken. So fucking glad. I mean, this will count. If I can't get another trade in on these, I at least get a $50 day. But fuck, man. You gotta be fucking kidding me. So, a couple of announcements to make. These fucking 6 right here, chat. These 6 right here. 5, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. They are eligible for a payout. And I'm on day 8. Payout number 4. I'm pretty sure I should be able to request 2,000 each. So I'm going to be requesting 12 fucking thousand on those. What else? I accidentally traded this last night, thinking it was this one. And I just needed one more. I needed to push. I forgot what I needed to push this up to. I might have needed one more day. But this one's on day, what day am I on with this shit? Let's go to the charts. Shall we, chat? Shall we? 554, which I already got paid on. You see, guys? All right, so I am on 554. I am on day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm on day 7. So on fucking Monday after the market closes, I'm requesting payout number 2 with this one. Also on Monday, 561 and 562, I pushed these over. I need to get these to I needed to get these two to $2,890 in profit. Chat. And I am also on day 7 with those. 561 and 562. Where they at? Right here. So on fucking on Monday, I'll be requesting with them. What will I be requesting? Obviously, I'm going to try to win my flip day. I'm going to try to win my flip day and add a little bit more, but it's going to be around 900 each account. So you got 900, that's 1,800 plus, this is going to be, let's just say 1,850. Maybe I add some more, I might be able to add some more. Let's just be conservative and say 1,800. So on Monday, I'm requesting 3,600. On today, I'm requesting 12,000. I just got approved for 2,000. Damn, 17,600 right there. And then 538. I needed to get this up like another 380 to 400 to get this eligible for another payout, and we did that. And that's on day 538 is on day. Well, I'm on day 6. Today's day 6 with 538 since getting paid. I already got paid on that fucker. So on Tuesday, I'm going to be requesting somewhere around, $1,800 there. So fuck, I could be, come this time next week, I could be at 19,400 as long as I get approved on everything. Just with Apex for the month of February. Probably sooner, because if I request on Tuesday, I might get approved in a day or two. Maybe Wednesday or Thursday, I'll know. You see, guys, and a lot of those accounts that I'll be requesting on, 6, 7, 8. 8 of those accounts, 8 of the 10 accounts, 8 of the 10 accounts I'm going to be requesting on are accounts I already got a payout on. That is the fucking holy grail right there. You need to get to that point at some point. It's great. Like, I still blow accounts. We all know that, right? But if you could hold on to some and just keep getting payouts on the same ones, your fucking expenses will fucking stay down and your profits will go up. You see, guys? And if you're like playing from behind, like I've been for almost the entire time I've been doing this shit until about sometime in December when I finally became a profitable prop firm trader. If you're keeping your expenses down because you're getting payouts on the same accounts, you're cutting into the deficit a lot, and you're getting close to paying off your tuition a lot faster. Anyway, and it's fucking exhausting. Like, I'm used to it. I know it's part of the game, but like, it's so much easier to take the same account to another payout as opposed to fucking having to start with 0. You know what I'm saying, chat? So just keep that in mind. Did that hit did that hit it? It didn't hit it. It didn't hit it. I don't know. I don't know what to do there. Free space. Fourth payout. But Apex says, oh, by the way, Apex is 80% off again. 80% off. They kept the lifetime activation fee on. Like, if you already have some evals that you grab because the 90% off, good news. The lifetime activation fee for the smaller accounts is still $75, and they lowered the lifetime activation fee on the bigger accounts from $135 to $95. So hopefully you have some accounts. What did they say resets were? Hold on a second. Hold on. Did they say anything about resets? I don't know. Oh, $50 resets. $50 resets are cheaper. You see this on the 150s, 250s, and 300s? If you recently blew a fucking one of those size accounts, instead of buying a new one, just pay $50 for the reset as long as you have enough time between now and the next rebuild, because you want to cancel any rebuilds before they rebuild because they're going to rebuild you at 50% off. All right? Thanks, chat. Use the best fucking code 0DayJ, which I forgot to fucking put on here. I got to redo this shit. Anyway, I took this cool test to see what type of person I am, what my personality was as a trader or as just a human, right? and I took the test. You could go to tradingcharacters.com. Here, I'll drop it in here. My friend, one of the valued members of the DGen fam, Tommy, put this together, worked really hard on it. It's free for now. Well, it's always free. You take a test. I am an operator. According to the little survey I took this little test to do my profile. I am an operator. You understand? So there it is. Someone tell Tommy in the chat that I just gave him a fucking shout out on the stream. I did it for the stream. Anyway, tell him in the Discord. I don't know if he's on here. Mike. Yeah, resets are $50. Will, what up? I can't trade gold on Apex. No, they block. Will, they Dark Cloud, what up? Crypticon, what's good? Nomad, Carlos, Motion Capital, Spartan Nick, Renee from John Jay. Will, I appreciate it, man. Thank you. You can't trade gold on Apex. You can't trade any metals on Apex. That's why I'm back to fucking trading the NQ on this shit. But whatever. Can't hold me fucking down. You know what it was? It's really mostly because of silver. And I would like to think that a lot of it has to do with fucking Brian Stonks. Because he's using silver and running up those fucking Apex accounts. I wonder how those accounts are doing now. He's probably back to making a few $100s a day. Right? If he could have done it with the NQ, he would have done it already. But hey. Stock cars and bets. A milli. Miss Goody. Bowser. Miss Goody wants to take it. Yeah, it's right there. Just go to this. Yeah, click that link. Tell Tommy. You requested a payout on Take Proper Trader last Friday. That money should be in your wallet. Check your wallet. And then from your wallet, you have to withdraw from your wallet into your bank account. Nomad, thank you, bro. Thank you. I'd like to thank, what up, Big Tick? AS, JK, I didn't even see you guys. What up? Amazon Fresh Delivery? Nah, I have to go do it. But yeah, hopefully she'll make it up to me later. I'm going to tell her what happened. Hopefully, I'm going to see if she'll make it up to me later. You know what I'm saying? Look at this. Look at this, chat. Happy little 707 bounce on this smaller time frame. Let's see if it comes down here, though. Let's see if it comes down here. I'm going to put an order right here. Right here! I don't think it will. I mean, look at that. 17 points off the fucking 707. Big Tick. I don't know, bro. Probably just hit him up. Just hit up support. If you already have the accounts, just trade him and see what happens. What up, Crank? Oh, I think I saw you already. Do I think Take Profit Trader is better than Apex? I think I like Take Profit Trader the most because of the daily payout potential. The fact that I could get over the buffer, and every day that I'm over the buffer, I can request a payout. I think that's fucking amazing. Same thing with Tradeday. I love Tradeday for that as well. However, you see what's happening with these accounts? Like, look, I just got paid on one account. Oh, that's the fucking... I just got paid on one account here, right? I just got paid on 560, and I just rattled off 10 different accounts I'm about to get paid on between today and fucking Tuesday. And then not on top of that, 567, if you look at 567, right? I might be requested on fucking Wednesday on that one. 567's on day fucking, where's 567? I'm on day 5, and I'm over 2,000. If I get this fucking thing to 2,600 by Wednesday, I'll be requested on that one. So we're talking about 11 different accounts that I'm requesting anywhere from like let's say 600 or 700 to fucking 2,000. You can't get that anywhere else. And I don't want to fucking hear shit about Apex ever again from anybody, especially if you trade with Topstep. Topstep just went fucking funding ticks 2.0 on a bunch of motherfuckers. Pine Tree, what up? No, Sparta Nick, it's 80-20. It's an 80-20 split until you get $50,000 worth of payouts. And then it goes to 90-10. That's how they do it. I got a little bit to go. John Q, that chicken was like fucking, I wouldn't have fucking taken it all the way up to this, right? I probably would have rode it up around here and gotten shaken out here because you guys know me, right? So it probably cost me, $500 times 8. Cost me 8,000 sim dollars that could potentially turn into payouts. Thomas. Oh, that's you. Oh, Tommy, that's you, bro. I didn't know that. Yeah, no problem, Tommy. I didn't know that was you. I didn't know this. See this fucking YouTube, bro. YouTube. Oh, that's you anyway. Anyway. Yo, they're fucking awful, bro. They're fucking, they remind me of my fucking wife. We'll get into a fucking argument. Topstep's like, remember that day? Remember that day in fucking March of 2021? When you said this or that or you did this? That's what Topstep just did to a fucking thousands of people. Remember that day? No, I don't fucking remember. Well, you fucking hedged that day. So now you lose your accounts a year later. Talk about running into some fucking cash flow issues. TJP. Sean. Joe. I don't know where Trevor is. He's around. He pops in from time to time. Trevor LeConte's always around, Joe. You just got to make sure you smash the like button for him. Okay? If enough people smash it, he might just show up. That's what Topstep's doing. They remind me of my fucking wife telling me about some shit. I'm trying to get laid right now, right? I'm trying to get laid today on February 6th, and she's fucking talking about some shit I did in fucking 2015. That's why I can't get laid. And that's what they're doing to you. That's what they're doing to fucking traders over there who probably didn't even fucking hedge or it was an accident. But why didn't they lose their accounts then? All of a sudden they lose them in fucking February 2026? That's worse than funding ticks. A retroactive hedging violation termination. Get the fuck out of here. Tell me you're fucking hurting for cash without telling me you're hurting for cash. Get the fuck out of here. Keep hiding your fucking balances, Dakota, you fucking jerk off. My fucking broker statement. Fuck you. I don't ever want to hear fucking shit about Apex again. Guys are always so quick to complain about Apex. Topstep is fucking worse. And what they did is worse than anything Apex has ever done. That's what it is, JC. That's what it is. No, they're petty. It's called they're running out of fucking cash. Why would you do that? Why would you fucking do that? You know what else they have? Remember, one of the features that you didn't see as a trader on fucking Project fucking SlipX was that they can monitor your trades across firms. They have that data. So they might not even be talking about Topstep. You might have done it on fucking Lucid in September. You might have done it on fucking Tradeday in October. They got all that fucking data when they let everybody else use their shit for a fucking year or however long it was. And they might be using that against you right now in case you did hedge. Because people do that. I don't, but people do that shit. Big tick. I get it, bro. I get it. It's still not worse than what Topstep just did. They're literally funding ticks 2.0. looking for any reason to fucking not pay people. And then I'm also hearing that people are getting pushed to live before they could take out like X amount of payouts. They're getting pushed to live early and then having to not get there and not being able to take payouts. Is that true? I think that's what I saw. White trash granny. Are you serious? What the fuck, bro? That's stupid. I know Tradeday has been known to do weird shit like that, but that's stupid. They made you keep trading. That's basically like them saying they don't want to risk the money. But I tell them, like, I'll forfeit some of my payouts. That sucks, bro. I'm sorry that happened. Look at that bounce off the 707. 17 points. That would have been enough for me. What's going on with gold? Oh my God. Good thing I'm paying attention here. Oh my God. Hold on a second. Hold up, though. Oh my God. Please come back down. This is another reason why I'm not happy with the fact that I got to trade the NQ. Because if I was just watching gold, even with my Apex accounts, right? No matter where I was, I'd be watching gold, and I would have saw this happen. I probably would have had an order somewhere around here. Like an order for one here and an order for one here. And I fucking missed it because I'm too busy fucking watching the fucking NQ. But whatever. Oh my God, the train's leaving the station. It's already up 60 ticks. It just dropped. Look at that 707 rejection. How many points did we drop? How many ticks? 869 to 604. 269 ticks. I'll put an order down here, whatever. I don't think it's going to come back. I mean, it might. J Min, what up? Psychic, yeah, I'm trading it on. I'm on Lucid right now. These are my Lucid evals. I'm trying to push them over. I really wanted to do this earlier and then pass them and then get my first. Look at this. Oh my God, that would have been enough. I would have probably gone in with 2, and I would have had the $1,500. And then a minute later, I'd be able to activate them and have 500 accounts. But no, too busy watching the fucking NQ. Fuck. And too busy ripping on fucking Topstep. Let's see how bad Trustpilot is getting for them. I mean, this is what they get. This is what they get for fucking rug pulling all of the prop firms with their platform. 4 minutes ago, 8 minutes ago. They're getting fucking wrecked. Wrecked. Ha! This guy called himself Dakota. Oh man, that's fucking great. Wrecked. They better start hitting up their Fiverr fucking contacts to get the fake 5-star reviews. Here's a fake 5-star review. Keep jabbing. Oh my God, it's too fucking funny. Keep jabbing, chat. Look at this. Oh my God, 605, 130 fucking points. Ticks, I mean. 130 fucking ticks. You fuck. I'm so fucking pissed. Fill me here. Please, Granny. Technical. Yeah, they're gonna have a lot of work. They got a lot of work ahead of them. Yeah, even Coach Jay I guarantee you, he's gonna get his money. Yeah, that's the funny part. Even Coach Jay made $30K trading silver. Exactly. That's why I get it. That's why Apex and fucking look at Brian Stonks is doing to those PAs. He ran them the fuck up on the day that fucking silver dumped. Mr. I lump in my affiliate commissions with my payouts and then say it's all from trading and post it on Twitter. That guy. What up, Hoop? Yeah, exactly, bro. I was trading gold on and off, and then I just got tired of the NQ shit, and I went full time with gold in the beginning of October. It's not like I was trading gold when it fucking blew. Like I just started trading gold because it fucking blew from. It went from 5,000 to 5,600. Same thing with silver. But whatever. They can't listen. Whatever. I'll trade NQ. I don't care. No problem. I'm fucking green everywhere. No problem. No problem. I have a system now. I have a process that I follow, and I just stick to my fucking plan. And that's it. Is it easier to trade gold than the NQ? For me personally, it is. Other people can't trade gold for shit, even before this fucking craziness. No, you can't not. You can't trade anything, any metals at all, Bob. No metals at all on Apex. You could trade 1 micro of gold on fucking funding Topstep. Top. I'm gonna call it top funding step ticks. Top funding ticks 2.0, aka Topstep. Yeah, well, NQ, yeah, on the larger time frame though. This is a look. It went through. It got over the 707. This is why I like. Once we just missed touching it here, and we came all the way down here, and they did this. Like I'm scared. I didn't want to put an order there. I didn't want to put an order there for that reason. But I'll put an order up here somewhere. I mean, do you think we get to 235 before the market closes? DS. They banned all metals. You can't trade. They didn't ban it. They halted it. You can't trade any metals for the foreseeable future. Tick Step. Vinny Lee. Yeah, we got to come up with some good names. Tick Step. A new video dropped. But hey, am I being harsh? Am I being harsh in my criticism? I think I'm pretty spot on. Come down here and film me. Can you film me? I mean, fuck me. Ill. We don't want it to come all the way down here. We want it to come down here. Maybe it's going to retest the 618 and then go higher. I want it to come back down here. Nathaniel. Yeah, let's see him fucking, I mean, hey, if he could do it, that's great. I'm happy for him. You know what I mean? Like, I don't care. I don't care, but let's just be real. The only reason he was able to run those accounts up is because of silver. And that's a big reason why they halted that shit. Because that shit is happening all over. He's not the type of person to run up accounts like that. From what I understand. But now he's got a fucking, didn't he have like a crazy fucking day? If he could have done it with the NQ, he would have done it already. PW said he's not getting that money. You don't think so? Carbonite. Yeah, they all seem like nice guys, but they're fucking shady as fuck. Especially fucking Ledesi and fucking Lanto. I call them the hedge twins. If they're doing it legitimately, more power to them. There's something about them. The fact that Brian fucking lumped in a fuck ton of affiliate commissions with his payouts and said this is all from trading, red flag for me. I'll never fucking believe anything that guy says anymore. And got called out by Patrick Weiland of all people. PW called him out on Twitter, and that's when everybody started fucking, throwing their dicks on the table. Look at how much I make. Well, this is how much I make. This is how much I make as an affiliate. That's what started that whole fucking thing. What else is he fucking lying about or fucking fudging the details? Renee's you're an operator too, so am I. Hey, from one operator to another, I salute you. fast step funding, fast track top ticks funding. Yo, hashtag operator gang. Yo. Oh, man. Who's Scarface? I don't even know who the fuck that is. Yeah, I'm just being honest. Jason, bro, but but like I was doing it before I was doing it before the fucking 3,000 fucking tick fucking daily ranges. I was doing it when gold was hanging around, 600 to 1,000 ticks a day. The range on gold is fucking insane now. Like, look, 49.95. Where's the low? 46.70. We're talking like 3,300 ticks, 3,200 ticks in a day, in a fucking day. Like this right here, I talk about this every day, all the time now. Like this right here, all right, here's the high, right? 49.95. So 956, it came down to fucking, from like here to here. This right here. 160 to 956. This right here used to be an entire day, like this area right here. And then we pushed over 5,000 and it just got stupid. Dark Cloud. I don't even know who he is, bro. Sean, I don't even know who he is. I'm not worried about getting in trouble, JP. Look what it's doing. Fuck. My throat is so dry. I think I'm getting whatever my fucking kids had. Look, it 707 bounce, it popped, came down, retested the 618. It might keep going. I hope it goes down, but man, it's already up 40 ticks. Oh my God. This is why I didn't want to go short on the NQ. Hit this. Fuck me, bro. Anyway. Tony. Awesome. Thank you. You could have done anything after you got off of work, but you chose to watch the best stream in the world. I appreciate it. Thank you. Nathaniel. All right. Here's what we're going to do. There, we got our orders up there. I need more coffee. I need more fucking coffee. What's going on down here? Yeah, look at this shit. Fucking beautiful. That retest would have been enough. If I had two, I would have passed it there too. Look at that. So it bounced off the 707, pulled back and retested at the 618. And watch this. Watch when I draw the fib on this fucking shit. Oh, look, it's a 707. Fuck, man. I love missing opportunities. I was playing more conservatively. I thought maybe the larger time frame would have won, but the larger time frame did not win. The larger time frame bounce is winning out. Look at that. You see, guys, just stuff, when you stare at the charts long enough. Hey, Jillian. When you stare at the charts long enough, right? And you're only looking for one thing, and that's all you look for, you start to notice some patterns. And I noticed that happens a lot. It'll come down and retest like a higher low and then go up higher. Look at this shit. Damn. I should have fucking jumped in. It's up 120 something ticks. You see, guys? Fucking Topstep. You on May 21st, 2007, you were long in a combine MES with one micro and short 1 micro in your XFA. Therefore, today, February 6, 2026, we have to terminate your account. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. What are you barking at? They hear the dogs outside. Luna! No. It's the biggest whiny dog ever. These dogs cost me hundreds and hundreds and billions of dollars today. Today's our Harvey. Today's our 2-year anniversary of bringing Harvey home. It's his gotcha day. That fucking guy. Luna starts whining, and then he starts barking. What a fucking move. You see that? Am I literally not gonna be able to trade these today? I'm gonna be so fucking pissed. I mean, I had opportunities. I guess it's better than losing money, right? Or blowing the accounts. Right, chat? Jay, remember what you said? What you said 20 years ago? That's how fights are with my wife. Now Topstep's doing it to traders. Kasalisk. What's going on with the NQ? Like, this is the other thing. I got to fucking... Oh, my God. Well, I mean, it's 15 points away. Look. Again. It's just not... I don't know. It's just not meant to be. It pretty much did the same thing that you see here. It just missed touching it and pulled back a bunch. And this time it just missed touching it again and pulled back a bunch. Oh, my God. Couldn't go up another 15 points and then do that? You got to be fucking kidding me. You got to be fucking kidding me. That's on such a large time frame. What am I? I'm on the hour. This is the hourly. This is the hourly chart I drew a fib on from this high and this low. Yeah, we'll put an order right down here. All right, chat? We'll see what happens. Penguin. All your payouts, really all your payouts this year using the best fucking code 0DJ. That's awesome, man. Great job. It's only because of my code. That's the only reason why, right? Tell you, it might make you a better trader. That's awesome. I tell people all the time, it's got the highest pass rate, the highest payout rate, and the fastest payout rate, according to the prop firm Streets. Confirmed again. I don't have any actual data to confirm it. I just have the degen data in the chat, on the stream, and in the Discord. Oh, by the way, if you're not hanging out in the best fucking community on these prop firm Streets, you're missing out. Oh, I got to look at that shit. But seriously, you're missing out. It literally is the best community. And it's free for now. It's better than most fucking paid fucking Discord you'll come across in this space. If not all of them. Let's be fucking real. It's free for now. Yeah. In 2005, you sent a dick pic to my then girlfriend. Your account's terminated. Tim Morgan, what up? P. I'm so fucking annoyed. This is fucking bullshit. I missed it here because I was too busy paying attention to the fucking NQ on my Apex accounts. I missed it here. Well, this I was watching, but I was too much of a pussy to do anything about. Giorgio, what up? What happened to YM? Because it ran? I'm the most fired person, Tony Gold. Jose Carlos. Bro, it happens, man. You're not always gonna get what you think is gonna happen. That's just look what happened to me today. I missed getting filled by by less than 2 points on a banger. And then I go get fucking chicken and I cancel an order on a banger. So I mean it's just part of it. I missed a great opportunity that I would have jumped in, but I wasn't fucking paying attention because I was watching the NQ on my fucking Apex accounts. I just missed getting filled again here. So it happens. Oh, yeah, Giorgio. I mean, it's moving the same as it's moving the same as the NQ. It just supposedly it moves slower. Casalisk. Retroactive paid Discord charges right there, bro. That's all. That's all. I'm gonna put you in collections. Just miss getting filled on this fucking drop. This might not. I don't even know how this is gonna go. I might not. I'll probably get stopped out. Oh, look, the 707. Couldn't it just come down to fucking? It could have just come down to the 786. You fuck. Adrian Lorenzo's rolling in his benzo. Yeah, Jose Carlos. So you chickened out. That's all. You know, just remember that maybe next time, maybe go with smaller size and then fucking oh my God. Are you fucking kidding me? Did you see that? All day with these fucking accounts. Oh my God. How many ticks was that? Literally like 2 or 3 ticks. It just fucking bounced 22 fucking points. You see, guys? I'm so good with my fibs, I don't get filled by a fucking tick or two. Look at this shit go. 30 fucking points. You, what the fuck? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Hey, put a 5 in the chat if you think that's fucking bullshit that I just got fucked by a tick or two. Uh-oh. Coming to retest? The fuck? What the fuck? Can't make this shit up. You guys see this happen to me all the time. I didn't have it right on the line. I kept it a little above it, and it still found a way to just fucking not hit my order and then bounce. Fucking 30 fucking points. 30 fucking 5 points a bounce or more. Baseballing with ease. How hard can it be? Unfucking believable. Now I'm scared, right? I'm gonna get filled. Where's JP's post? Look. Here's another one. Look at this shit. Here's another one. I was just about to request a payout. Now I'm receiving a hedging allegation from November 12th, 2025. I never broke any rules in any firm, and I've always traded according to the firm's expectations. They say that I hedged myself. What a fucking joke they are. They say I hedge myself, but when I look at my orders, we can see that I never entered a trade long or short at the same exact time. We could also see that when I entered long on MNQ, I had no other position open at the same time. What a fucking joke. Who's this guy? Some dude named Maltz. What a fucking, oh my God. Look, it's retesting. It retested the fucking 707. Does it go higher now? Or will it come down and fill me? I'm scared to get filled now. What's going on down here? Oh, gold just stopped moving. Don't worry. Gold will move again. That's fucking hilarious. Corey, the phone trader. They're doing that to thousands of people. Sounds like they need money. Barbarian. Oh, my God. Is there earnings today? I don't think so. It's Friday. Any like important earnings that'll move the needle do not happen on a Friday. But we'll take a little peek here. Let me find JP's post.
What is this? I haven't done anything. You're under arrest for hedging. 1 year ago, Judge Patak accusing you of hedging. No!
What's up with this guy's eyes? Oh my God. Make it make sense. Fuck! I'm never gonna get filled on a fucking trade. Uh-oh. They got me. Clinval. I am fucking green everywhere, actually. I am green everywhere. Ghost Futures, what up? I don't know. I don't know, bro. That's the dumbest fucking shit ever. Not what you said, just this whole situation. My wife does the same shit to me when I'm trying to get laid today. You remember what you said? On the way to my mom's house for fucking Easter of 2021? Well, I do. What a fucking joke. What a fucking joke. Oh, I was going to look at, let's see earnings today. Yeah, also, any of these companies that do earnings on a Friday, they do it in the morning. See? Every time you see earnings, on Fridays, it'll just be in the morning. Like I could run down the line. Friday before open. All of the Fridays will be before the open. See? You see, guys? Anyway, let's look at these fucking charts. Fuck, man. Couldn't fucking fill me. Stone World. Options Exchange, what up? Oh, is there a way to manage that many? Yeah, you'd have to put it, I don't know. You can maybe put 2 accounts modules on here, right? You could put 2 accounts modules on here, and in one of the modules, you put you sort by the dollar amount or the number or whatever, and then the other one you sort it the opposite way. So you'll see the top half in one module, and you see the bottom half on the other module. Try that. That should work. Foster, what up? Brandon. How'd I do today? I'm fucking green everywhere. And I locked in I don't even know. I might be at fucking $18,000 in payouts next week if I get approved on everything. Oh, and I got approved today. Oh, that's not it. Apex is 80% off, by the way. I got approved on the payout I requested the other day, as expected, because I didn't violate any fucking rules. What a novel idea. Apex didn't fucking send me an email and say, hey, Jay, remember in fucking October of 2023 when you didn't know what the fuck you were doing, you accidentally hedged. All of your accounts are denied now in 2026. Imagine that. I don't want to hear shit about Apex anymore, ever again. Parry dollar to make them holler. I'm fucking green everywhere. I got day 5 locked on these take profit traders. So I'm going to have funded accounts going into the new week. With them, 5. I got another $410 with my trade day funded accounts. It got a little ugly last night, but we recovered and I'm good. I stopped when I got here. I was like, I'm good. And I've been trying to trade these fucking things and I missed opportunities. So maybe this will come up here and I'll get filled, but I don't know. And this is all my Apex. Literally, I'm requesting 12,000 when the market closes. After the market closes, I'm requesting 12,000 here. On Monday, I'm requesting like, I don't even know, 3, that's 6 accounts. On Monday, I'm requesting on 3 other accounts. On Tuesday, I'm requesting on another account, and potentially Wednesday, another account. It's like fucking 12 accounts. Leo, what up? Rick. Yeah, Coach Fred, but they're sending the email too. Why would you, options exchange? Why are you even trading Lucid evals if you have funded Lucids that you're killing it on? Why would you even do that? I thought maybe you were talking about Apex. And maybe you have 20 Apex accounts or some shit. 5 is nothing, bro. This is what 5 looks like. This is 19. 851 has been trapped in here since fucking Nam. But look, I got 1, 2, 3. What do I have in here? I have 18 accounts, 19 accounts showing on here. You mean to tell me you can't fucking show 5 accounts or 10 accounts without it obstructing your view? I mean, if you can, I get it. Do what I said. Try what I just said. The module thing. Make like this shit smaller, have accounts on this, have accounts here and accounts here. You could have 2 of the same. Watch, I could add accounts. I'm about to get filled, I think. Watch this. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Watch this. Look, I have account. Look, so what I'm going to do here. Now I'm going up in order. I'm going up in number order, right? And here I'm going down. So look, you could get the top half of your accounts here and the bottom half. If you want to do it that way, you do it by the balance or something. There's a way to do it. You see that? I have 2 of the same module here, but I have them organized a different way. Yeah, get rid of that shit. I got a piece so fucking bad right now, too. Oh, my God. Look. Another no fill. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Why, Granny? I lowered it. 5 ticks. Uh-oh, I might get filled. How do you get that view? You see this plus sign in the top left? Add modules. You grab it and you drag it. Accounts will show you everything at all times. This right here will show you everything at all times and what you're in. If you're in something, you'll know on this module, no matter what. So if you accidentally get filled on something, you'll see it there. Mikey. JC. Yeah, F4. Do I even want to get filled at this point anymore? I'm scared now. I'm fucking scared. I'm lowering it even more. Clinvale, I know, right? What an asshole I am. That means less people are going to watch because I tilt for different reasons now. I tilt for shit like this now. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Watch this shit dump through here. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. Because I missed all the opportunities. It bounced like 30 fucking points. Keep going. Please. No. There we go. I'm taking it. Oh, I'm taking more. I'll take that. That's better than 68. You see, guys? Oh, fuck. This shit's going to go up like 100,000 million points now. I don't care. I took it. I was worried that it was going to keep dropping. Look at that 786. Look at the 786, guys. You see, guys? The fucking fibs work on the NQ too. Whoops, I don't want to show you that. I don't even know what that is. Alerts or some shit. Look, we had this high, and this was the last low I went by. We bounced off. We just missed hitting it here. So basically a 707 bounce. We came down and touched the 786. And there it was. And it pounced, I don't know. You'll get at least a scalping opportunity. When we went from 125, I'll take 8 points. I didn't need much. I'm done with those. I'm fucking done. I'm still fucking. Oh, I got where do I have orders? Oh, I got an order way up here. Hold on a sec. I do think it might go lower. That's what I was worried about, actually getting filled there finally. We're fucking green everywhere. You know, I got to tread a little bit more lightly with the NQ because it's the fucking NQ. I'll take it. Don't have much of a choice. I mean, I could trade other instruments, but gold is my shit. And I'm not really familiar with the YM and crude, even the ES. I'm not even familiar with the ES. Let me make sure none of these have open orders. I don't think they do. I don't even know what the fuck is going on with gold. I could be getting close to getting filled on that shit too. You see, guys? You see, guys? Hey, stick around, though. I'm going to be requesting on these 6 accounts right here, the ones that are up $12.46, $12 to make them holla. I mean, this might hold and fucking we might bounce 15, 20 points. But I'm good. I don't need to truck and trade anymore on these accounts. I'm good. I'll take this after I was down a fuck ton. Let me show you where I was at. Let me show you something. Today. I was down as much as $815 to start shit. What's funny is that first trade I took, I was up 200, but it only wicked down on a short, and it fucking came right back up and stopped me out. That's how it started with those accounts. My first trades of today since I woke up. Look, 300, 380, and then fucking 435. 7 something plus fees, and then I went down like in this trade right here, but I ended up getting 750, and that put me over. Or some shit like that. I don't know. Something like that. Look, see, I don't know. Alan Rose, what up? RTY? Yeah, I know about that. But, like, I like the – I mean, I've watched it. I fucking traded RTY options back in the day. But still, in terms of futures, I have funded accounts. I don't know if I want to trade anything I'm not familiar with, how it moves, even if it's cleaner or smoother or not as crazy. I don't know it. I know the NQ. I guess I could say I know the ES too because they pretty much move the same, but I know the NQ. As much as I hate it, I know it. I traded this shit for fucking 2 years. So I just went back to that. As long as I stick to my fucking rules, I should be okay. I play the fibs. That's all I give a fuck about. I should be okay. So far, so good. 2 days in a row, green in all 20 of my funded Apex accounts. Just got approved on 2,000, requesting 12,000, requesting another fucking 5,000 or some shit next week. We're okay. I think I'll be okay. Stone World. Thank you. Thank you. How are my Apexes? Brandon. I'm fucking green everywhere. Oh. There's 2. And here are the other 18. Requesting the 4th payout on these accounts. Yeah, see, this is what I was worried about. So, like, in this case, if you're, like, drawing fibs, right, what I would do is I would look for the next low. It broke. I don't know. It still might hold here. It still might hold here, but I would look for the next low for an entry long. So I would look for, like, down here. I expanded my fib, right? I expanded my Fibonacci. I got to move it down a little bit more. I expanded the fib that I just based my other trade on, right, to the next low. I even could have done it here, right? I had it here. And then I moved it. I can move it down here. And look, we're at the 786 based on this low. If it breaks this, then I would expand it to the next low. But it might hold here. You see, guys? It might not. But that's how I trade the fibs, in either direction. Kellyanne. Elevated Life. Ron here. Hey, Ron. Hey, Kellyanne. What's your thoughts on Topstep? Kellyanne, do you ever do this to your husband? I just got to ask. He's trying to get lucky today. But then you fucking, and maybe you guys were having a little bit of an argument or something, and he's trying to get some practice in, right? And then you fucking bring up some shit he did in fucking 2005, and it fucking ruins everything. And that's why you won't let him get what he wants. Have you ever done that to your husband? Technical. Mario. Don't lie. Don't lie. He'll tell me that's true, right? He'll tell me. He'll agree, right? He's listening, right? Well, that's what Topstep just did to everybody. That's what Topstep just did to everybody. Thousands of fucking people. You know what you did? Fucking Paytech sent an email. I could hear it in his fucking jerk-off voice. You know what you did, Jay? In fucking February, in fucking April 21st at 3 o'clock, 2016, you went long with one MES and short with one NQ in a combine and an XFA. Therefore, on February 6, 2026, you are fucking terminated. Fuck you and your payouts. Yeah, he's smart. His name is Joe. What's up, Joe? He's smart. He's smart. Smart man. Maximus, Mystic Rick, Alfred, keep hedging. Keep hedging. Keep jabbing. They're worse than funding ticks. They're worse than funding ticks. Oh my God. Remember what you did? That's Topstep right now. Remember? Talk about having fucking cash flow. Tell me you would have a cash flow issue without telling me you have a cash flow issue. Anyway, let's see what's going on. Oh my God. I'm pissed about these, but we're good on these. We're good on these. If you want to watch me request $12,000 with Apex, stick around. Hopefully they'll let me do it before 5:30. 2 years in 2 XFAs and they took them from you. Oh, Kelly, yeah, I mean, but this is a new level of suckage. I never had a problem with the firm until, you know when I had a problem with them? When they fucking stopped, when they cut me off cold turkey after fucking Paytech had me on there, and then they posted a fucking short of me talking about post-payout degenerate syndrome, which is fucking real. If you look in the fucking trading Encyclopedia Britannica, you will see PPDS in there. They posted a short about it, and it was fucking funny, and it would have made for great content, and somebody made them take it down an hour later. And they stopped inviting me. They didn't even fucking tell me why. So, yeah, I'm fucking salty about it. A little better fucking communication. All I did was fucking win on there anyway. Bunch of little bitches in the chat crying. It's gambling! Yeah. How much fucking payouts have I gotten since then? Holy shit. Let's see. Since the last time I was on Topstep TV. I think the last time I was on was in April. So we got May. We got June. We got July. We got August. We got September, which was embarrassing, but whatever. We got October. We got November. We got December. And January, 43. Well, let's just say it was 44,000. It's either 43, the high 43s, or the mid 44s because of how I did my math. I only got $161,000 in payouts since the last time I was on Topstep TV, but I'm just a shitty fucking trader. That's probably more than all their fucking coaches who hide their fucking balances. The fuck out of here. Bowser. They reinstated everything. Yeah. That's the same guy who had problems with Apex, too. Anyway. See, this is what that was a nice bounce. So look at that bounce off that 786, 117 to 135. And I like almost everybody over there. I don't like Paytech and I don't like fucking Dakota. Everybody else is cool, but they probably not allowed to like me. They're not allowed to. They're not allowed to be friends with me. There were a couple of guys that were following me. They unfollowed me from when I got fucking uninvited. Basically, they stopped inviting me. They were on my fucking cock for fucking 3 months. Had me on almost every week. Anyway. Yeah, Kellyanne. Wouldn't it be a good idea to get a fucking following? Don Burberry, even if it's just to save your ass, right? It pays to fucking build a fucking, make some friends in the space. Yo, Elevated Life, when? Let me know. Hit me up in the Discord. Like, if you're really coming, hit me up. Here's the link to the Discord if you guys aren't in there. Coach Fred. F4. I know. Terrible. I'm terrible. Look, there it is breaking it down. So I would move this down. I would move this down to the next low. I got to pee, though. I'm going to take you with me almost all the way. Almost all the way. But I need to keep the computer closed because I need to hear order filled in case my gold orders on this fucking funded Tix accounts get filled. I still got these orders in here. So maybe I don't know if it's going to go down there while I'm doing it. I'll be right back. Look at this happy little tree while you're at it. There you go. Can you see it? Look at that happy little tree. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful. That thing's huge, by the way. That's like, I think it's like 4x5. Anyway, keep an eye on my fucking Lucid order. I feel so much better. Look at this fucking shower bathtub combo. You can't get this in most fucking trailers. This is a special custom ordered trailer that I'm in. Double wide, double tall. Because I live in a trailer and I'm trash. I'm white trash and I live in a trailer. According to some fucking jerk off from Canada. Anyway, I can turn this off. Here's the other thing with Topstep. If you let's say you're trading a personal account, right? With a personal account, you don't have to worry about drawdown. You don't have to worry about fucking, being out of the position before the day ends. You're not going to get liquidated or lose your account, right? You could just hold the position overnight or whatever. You might have a long-term fucking view. You might have a long-term view of what you think is going to happen on a larger time frame. So you might be, let's say, long in gold. But on the shorter time frame, you're scalping the shit out of it up and down. So if you get a fucking Topstep brokerage account and you have an XFA and you're long in your fucking brokerage account because you have a very long-term view, basically like you're basing your shit, that position on the 4-hour chart or the daily chart because you can, right? But on the shorter time frames, basically day trading, you're taking shorts and longs, you'll lose your fucking account. So first of all, I don't know why you would ever give them your money for a personal brokerage account, but if you do, don't even trade a prop firm account with them because you're going to get in trouble. you'll get this notification. But you'll get it like 2 years from now. You'll get it 2 years from now. Eric J, what up? If I'm in one micro, I could fucking hold overnight. But I don't trade a personal account. You know why? I don't really need to. I'll just keep getting payouts from prop firms. But yeah, but you can swing overnight if you have a big enough fucking account. Look what's happening. Let me get rid of this. Almost hit the 707. 786. You got the low of the VWAP band right there. Is that the right spot? Oh, look. It just went up a little higher. No, I'm in a pod. I'm in a pod, Kellyanne. Look. It's a workspace pod. Can you see it? Let me go back to Lucid. You see it? The best girl. The best dog ever. She's the GOAT of all dogs, right? Anyway. Anywho. Yeah. Oh, I can't wait. I'm not going to watch it on the stream. Fuck that. They get enough milk for free. Oh, Kellyanne, I'll drop a link in the chat for you. There's a bunch of different companies that make them, but this is the one I ended up getting. This is the one I ended up getting. Where is she? My wife made me. It drowns me out. It definitely dampens my my loudness to a degree, but not completely. Vinny Lee, the Focus Trader Pod. How big is it? That's what she said. This one specifically is most of the time, like the regular size ones. Oh, what the fuck? It's not working? Hold on a second. Did that link not work? Oh, there we go. This one is it's basically hold on. It's like 47 by 64. 47 to 48 by 64. A lot of them are literally the size of a phone booth. This is a little bit bigger. I didn't want the phone booth one because I would feel like fucking claustrophobic. So I got this one. All right, be good, Kellyanne. Oh, he posted it. JP, I thought you were talking about a real video. Hey, bro, I should know better by now that if you're posting anything, it's
Are you feeling like hedging today? Keep tapping, you motherfucker!
I thought it was like a real like public service announcement type of video. All right. Let's see. So here's something interesting about where we're at right now. Let me get rid of this one so I can see a little bit here. Let me get rid of this one. So if I draw from the low here to the high, we just hit the 786. Again, we retested it. We hit it here from this low to this high. We hit the 786 and rejected and then just did it again. I don't know if it's going to stay there. There's also some nice confluence with the up of the VWAP band. Oh, no, that's not even the right place. Look, you see, guys, you got to fucking zoom out and zoom in. You got to do that to reset where this shit is. It's not even in the right place. But nonetheless, we just rejected off the 786 here and we came and retested and rejected again. Whoops. Whoopsie. Wait, that's the wrong fucking one. That's in the right place. I don't even know. I gotta get rid of all of them. I just fucked them all up. All right. Anyway. There's the one I was talking about. This one, and then a little bit, the larger time frame, I'm basing it off the higher day. I was hoping to get filled on that. I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm running out of time. I might not even be able to fucking trade these, which sucks. This right here. Amorphity. Who said I didn't like the 786? I love the 786. I just didn't have I was basing it on a larger time frame fib. Look, I got an order right here at the 786 based on this low, from this low to the higher day. I like the 786 more than anything. Oh, good for you, bro. I'm happy for you, bro. Just be careful because it doesn't care where you think the 786 is based on where you drew it. It might not always honor the shorter time frame. You caught it, I didn't. I'm more conservative in my fills because I don't trust it. Robin, auto close your spy calls. I think they usually do that, 1-800. Oh, yeah. Listen, bro. They're not always going to, it's not like it worked out for you here. I don't know why, bro, if you've been watching me this entire time, why would you say I don't like the 786s? You've been watching me talk about fibs for fucking 4 months now. Like every day and showing it on my charts. I didn't base my fib that I drew on the same time frame as you. You based it on this being the low and this being the high. And that's where this 786 was. And a lot of times, especially after all of this time, it usually goes higher and makes a new high. My fib, my 786 is based on this low right here at 4960.6 and the high a day. And here we go. I also have an order at the 707. If you didn't get out of that trade, you just got fucked. If you didn't get out, I mean, you had a scalp opportunity, you just got fucked. You would be red right now. Blackout, what up? What happens when I fill both these shorts? If I get filled, I'm in two minis in both accounts. They're evals. So you know what I'm saying, Amorphity? This is why I didn't like it. I missed it this time because I had my orders based on a larger time frame fib. I missed this one, which was a good one. This one was decent, right? You got how many ticks? 7. You got 30-something ticks. Would that have been enough for your size? If you were in a couple of micros, that only would have been like $60. You know what I'm saying, Amorphity? But this is why I didn't like it. At least the second time around. I missed this one. I wasn't looking for that one. I was looking for a larger time frame one. But now look what's happening. Now because it broke it down, where is that fucking one? This I would expand that one to here.
Order filled.
And now that's the 786. Look, it just keeps going. That's why I base it. You be getting wrecked right now, depending on your size. But who was asking me? Perry Dollar. On these accounts specifically, I mean, fuck, man. On these accounts specifically, I'm looking to get 1,500 because I'm trying to pass them. But I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen here. I hope it doesn't moon. I hope it rejects off this larger time frame 786. I hope I get filled first, though.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. So now I'm in fucking. I want 75 ticks because I'm playing it that way. 65, 93, 94. Now, will I get it? I don't know. It might keep going up because the fibs aren't fucking perfect. And there might be some much larger time frame fib that I'm not seeing on the chart right now because I'm looking at the 1 minute chart. $883. This thing went down. Honestly, if I went full port up here, I could have fucking had my $1,500 already, but I didn't. Elevated life. Yeah, I made the NQ my bitch. And look where the NQ is right now, based on that fib I drew before. When I had to expand it to the next low. We're at the 707. We bounced off of it for a temporary, like a 10 or 11 point scalp. We might go even lower here. You got some confluence here with the up of the VWAP band and the 786, but I don't know. I don't care about the NQ anymore. It's dead to me for the rest of the day. Let's see if I could get. I'm running out of time. I have 5 minutes to get what I want, but we'll see. Can I at least pass this before the day is over? Look at that 786 from this low, amorph T. You see what I did there? This low to this high. There was nothing wrong with what you did here. You just had to get out quick because this is what I'm always worried about happening. And like this, obviously I could lock in gains here. I'm hoping for a bigger move. Hopefully it happens before I run out of time because with Lucid, you have until 145 or 445. Let's see if we can get the job done here. I don't know, though. I don't know. Gold is fucking weird at this time of day. It might just want to fucking pop. But I hope it drops. And I have the right amount of contracts this time, as unlike yesterday, where I literally top tick gold so perfectly, and I fucking only had one out of my two, and I ended up blowing the accounts, and had to get new ones, which are these. But man, that went down enough. If I was full ported, where I would have got it, because you need 37 and basically 38 ticks. Look what's happening. Maybe it's gonna retest it here and then go lower. I don't know. This is what I was worried about. I'm running out of time too. Fuck me. Drop it. I bet it does it right after I get liquidated because I'm out of time. Oh, come on, give it to me. Make it rain. Make it rain. Trade day, you have until 149, 449. I wouldn't risk it though. You'll lose that leg take profit trader. If you fuck that up, they will take the account from you. I'm more for T. I'm definitely not the GOAT, but thank you, man. But I got a pretty good understanding of this. I hope it fucking drops, man. Can we just do it for the stream? Oh my God, look at that. Come on, just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. $65. Oh, wait, I need 90. Fuck, I need 90. I need 89. Fuck, I need more. I need I need that. I need 75 ticks because it's $20 a tick because I'm in 2 minis and I need 1,500 bucks. This will be enough if it comes down here. The only thing I'm worried about is that maybe like right here, if it does start working lower, right here is a low and this is a high. It might like bounce off a fucking level, like a fib level before it gets there. But we'll see. I'm running out of time though, so I might have to take whatever I could get. I basically got 2 minutes, right? Do it before the 2 minutes is up. If I was full ported here, I would have had it already. Crouton, what up? Holy Earth, what's good? Bowser. Maybe it is. I hope it I just wanted to drop. That's all I care about. But that was like right here on this 786. We went from 882. I mean, almost 60 tick drop. Holy Earth, thank you, man. I appreciate it. I don't know, Bowser. It's not looking good. I'm running out of time. You know when it's going to happen? After I get taken out of... You don't lose your accounts with Lucid. You just get taken out of your position. But fuck, man. It's going to happen right after, and I'm going to be fucking pissed. Holy Earth, I appreciate it. Yeah, this right here. Isn't that crazy? The spread on gold isn't that bad right now on minis. What's the spread on minis? On micros, I mean. It's about the same. It's about the same. Come on, give it to me. This is it. If it doesn't happen now, it's not. I'm not going to be able to do it. Come on. I have 45 seconds for it to happen. Watch it fucking go back the other way and I end up fucking finishing red. F4. You think the gap is my take profit? Will it happen now, though? I'm running out of time. I got 30 fucking seconds. Can it do it in this candle? I don't know. It's going to do it. I'm telling you it's going to do it on the next candle. It's, oh my God, just fucking do it already. It's not doing it on this candle.
Order filled.
Here it is. Where was my order? Well, whatever. We added another 700. I guess I'll have to, well, I mean, I wouldn't have gotten my day one in on the funded accounts today anyway. My order was at 789. Let's just remember this. Oh, wait, that's 790. Let's see if it goes down. We're going to leave it there. We're going to leave it, this orange line. There it goes. What did I say? The next fucking minute. We need to petition Lucid to give us an extra 2 minutes. Just ain't right. Yeah, Bowser. It wouldn't even matter anyway. I trade. But look, it's about to do. It happens to me all the time, man. It's so fucking annoying. How hard can it be, JC? Maybe it won't come down here. I don't know. I think it will. I think it does. I think it does. But we're basically, there's a 786 from this low to this high. Or this is it. Here it goes. I'm going to be so fucking pissed. But at the same time, I'm going to feel good about it because I was right. I like being right. I mean, I got 700. So now all I need is 800 bucks. I need $800 to make them holla. And then I'll do that. I will try to do that. Obviously, I'll make the Sunday night. We'll see if I can push it over. If I push it over Sunday night or during Monday's session, right? Anytime during Monday's session, Sunday night, Monday morning, maybe for the stream, then I'll be able to get my first day in on the fundeds again. And I'll have my retribution. Carlos. Your gut is telling you not to trust an employee. What do you do in that case? You mean like money's missing? Oh, high trades. That's fucking awful. What up, Only Waves? You can only trade gold during a 10-second chart during Asia. That's crazy. People like those type of charts. Coach Fred, mwah. Just ain't right. I hate when that shit happens. There's just some days, I guess not. I guess I wasn't gonna get it. Maybe I will. Maybe it goes down now. But there's just some days just ain't right. You know how it goes, bro. Just some days aren't your day, no matter what you do. The secret on days like that is to not let yourself fucking tilt, which is something I'm still working on. To fucking not get tilted. You feel like he's lying? What kind of... Was it someone that you previously had no issues with, and now all of a sudden the vibe has changed? What happened? Here we go. Here we fucking go. Some days it just ain't right. It just ain't right. Does it do it? Does it do it before the market closes? Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking take profit trader. Let me do trade day. I know I don't, but you never know. You never fucking know. I'm running. This is like the last second. All right, we're good. We're good. I'm fucking green everywhere. I'm green everywhere. Again. Green, 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 green. Dialing, 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 and dialing. DBT. I don't know, man. What is his what's his job? What does he do for you? What's his job? Destiny. And I'm requesting, I think, $12,000. I'm pretty sure I can request $12,000 from Apex today on these 6 accounts. If I go to the fuck you and I go to payout parameters, safety net for the first 3 payouts. The safety net is calculated as your drawdown limit plus $100. This applies to your first 3 payouts. Oh, safety net rules. The safety net requirement must be observed for the first 3 payouts. This is payout number 4 on those accounts. As of the 4th payout, the safety net requirement is no longer applicable, which means I can withdraw down below than that. So I am taking fucking $2,000 each on those accounts. Ha! Ha! If I get approved on these, it will be my 5th 5-figure payout month in a row. Always a cashier. Oh, fuck yeah, I'm taking $2,000, bro. Hell yeah. I'm taking whatever's available when it's available. We got to wait, though. Oh, shit. Hey, it worked out pretty good. I would have liked this, though. Well, that's fine. I'll take this. Jamal, did I get approved? Does a bear shit in the woods? Does a bear shit in the woods? Where is it? Right here. God, man. I need more fucking haters. Can you guys find me some more haters? We need to take this to the next level. All the fucking haters that shit on me while I was in my struggles and not where I'm at now, how I've evolved as a trader, they all scattered like fucking roaches. Carbonite. Pound that confetti. Hell yeah. Mr. Beg Beef. Exactly. Exactly. Whatever's available when it's available. Marco, Santo. We need more. Can you just find them for me? Find them. Bring them back. Bring them back. Marco. They scattered like fucking roaches. Yo, Carlos, back to your situation, bro. Do you have you have a camera on that shit, right? I'm sure you have a camera on your cash register, on your registers. So hard to watch. I lost respect for you. Oh my God. You guys should go in the fucking Topstep chat when they're streaming and be like, 0 Day J just did almost 80K in the last 2 months. How about you, coaches? Oh, thank you, Simplistic. Sacco. What up, Cube? Hell yeah, Payout stream. Hopefully they it updates before I get off. Before I have to get off. I trade. Now, if I get approved for all of the accounts I'm going to be requesting between now and Tuesday, so I'm requesting on these six, 520 to 525 today. On fucking Monday, I'm requesting on 561 and 562. And 554. On Tuesday, I'm requesting on 538. And then possibly on Wednesday, I could be requesting on 567. If I were able to get that done and I get approved on all of them, which I don't see why I wouldn't, we're going to celebrate with a nice, happy little account giveaway. Check my... Hey, guys, check out my Apex portfolio. Look at my Apex portfolio. Hold on. Let me hide my fucking let me hide my accounts. Let me hide my balance, too. Let me hide my drawdown. Just show you my P&Ls. My broker statement. I'm a professional trader and educator. Ha! 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 Jessica. Riz, thank you. Do I still have my Tradeday funded accounts? Were you on the stream yesterday? Just let me know if you were on the stream last night when I was down like $1,100. Was he really, Coach Fred? Yeah, Mr. Begbeef. Anytime I did anything wrong, they fucking jumped on me. Remember that shit? Even recently. When in fucking September, when I fucking had those 20 Apex PAs and I blew 19 of them, 10 of them were like right there. All I had to do with that one day, I was on like day 7. I was in really good shape. I got another $300 that day, and I fucking tried to get more, and I ended up blowing them. Oh my God, I never heard the end of it. Oh yeah, now yeah, Coach Fred. I wonder why. We got to hold these motherfuckers accountable. Look at that bounce. Look at that. Look at this bounce. What is this? The NQ. What did I say? I had to expand the fib. Look where the NQ fucking bounced. Look at this, chat. Look how fucking beautiful that is. Who says the fibs don't work on fucking the NQ? Look at that. I expanded the fib to the downside, to this low right here. Here's the low. Look at that. 3 minutes before the market's closing. It just fucking bounced fucking 20 points. Look at that. The fibs don't fucking play. The fibs be fibbing. Carlos. Not the kidding. But yeah, Jessica, I do. To answer your question, I do. Here they are. It doesn't matter how many trading days I have in, but after 2 days of having my funded accounts, I am up. Oh shit, I'm hiding my numbers, yo. My account numbers were being hidden. Oh shit. I am up. I was down $1,100 last night. It was awful while I was streaming. I got it all back and then some. So I'm at 736 with almost all of my drawdown because these are intraday trailing. Pass your first eval and Sacco, great job. Great fucking job. We love to see it. Just be patient. Be patient with that account. What is that? A Lucid, a Flex account, or some sort of Lucid account? So, Carlos, back to your situation, bro. If you have it's hard to fucking, like, you can't really fire someone based on a gut feeling. I mean, you can, but you need a reason. And if he's a cashier and you want to fire him, he will give you a reason, but I would wait until he gives you a reason to. You know what I mean? You have cameras on that shit. I don't know. You could always, if you like him, you could always find the different. There's a book called, there's a book from a guy named Jim Collins called Good to Great. You guys ever hear of the book Good to Great? Yeah, you can, but you can't. You need a real reason. There's laws and shit. There's a book called Good to Great. You should read it or listen to the audiobook, especially since you're a business owner with employees. It will help you. It's a great book, actually. He talked about your company is the bus. Your company, JP, exactly. Your company is the bus, right? You're all on the bus together. And just because someone might not be good, someone's like, this guy's in the cashier seat right now. Maybe that's not the right seat. You don't need to kick him off the bus just yet. It just might not be the right seat for him. Maybe he'd be better off doing something else. And that goes for any type of position, any fucking company. And that's just part of the book, but that's a big part of it. You know what I mean? Maybe you would know better than me. I'm not even in your business, in your line of, in the company the type of business that you own, but you need a reason. So until he gives you a reason, if you're worried that something's shady's going to happen, sketchy, maybe find a replacement for him. Find someone that you do trust, or if you have someone that you do trust, give them more shifts or whatever, and put him somewhere else that you don't have to worry about that happening if you like him. But yeah, maybe he's just on the wrong seat in the bus. That's all. You only trust God, yeah, especially when it comes to money. And you got a lot of cash going in and out of your place, too. Yeah, Holy Earth, that's really the easiest way. But that's if it happens. Hopefully it doesn't happen. Hopefully you don't have to. Oh, the market's closed, by the way. Chat. Blackout News Network. Way to recover at least. What kind of prop firm is it? Maybe Paytex on the wrong seat. Blackout News Network. What prop firm? Take Profit Trader. I know what you were trying to do. Were you trying to get a day one payout? That's the prop. That's like the only drawback to firms like Take Profit Trader and Tradeday. The fact Newts isn't here. Maybe he was before, but I don't think he was on the stream today. His Discord is missing. So you were set. That's exactly where you fucked up. So you just got to get that shit out of your system. There's nothing wrong with being up $1,000. What'd you say you were up? You were up 1,000, and you tried to push it over the buffer for a day one payout, and then you gave back a bunch. And what account were you trading? Were you up? You might have been up even higher. But yeah, like what size? I mean, not take. What is it? 50K or 25K? Yeah, I trade. I stopped. I don't even care about that shit anymore. What time can you request on Lucid? Big tick. It's going to be anywhere between like 20 after 5 to 5:45-ish. Usually, somewhere around there. I would say, 5:30, 5:45. Just keep refreshing. Just refresh every fucking few minutes. That's what I do. On 25K. Yeah. Especially with a 25K, you don't want to fuck around. A 25K with intraday trailing. So you still got out of the trade up 500, but you gave back a fuck ton of drawdown. You were probably right at, sounds like you were right at the buffer. And you weren't trailing tight. What's wrong with $1,000? What's wrong with $1,000 knowing that all you need is another 500 to get to the buffer and you could do that the next day? That's where we have to grow and evolve and mature as traders. I'm doing a pretty good job of it. Obviously, I'm not perfect. But look, could I have tried to keep pushing this fucking thing? Yeah, but it just wasn't happening. However, if I stayed in that short last night that I was in after getting stopped out a couple of times and I was down pretty big, I probably would have, and I rode that shit all the way down or even down halfway to where it went, I would have probably been at like 2,500 in profit and requesting, or 3,000 even, but it didn't happen. So look, I have all my drawdown. This is the biggest thing right here. This is the most important part with an intraday trailing account, especially where you got to get over the buffer. Look at all this drawdown I have. You think it's a lot easier to work with $1,983 of drawdown or 500? Or in your case, if you had almost all of your drawdown, maybe if you had almost all of your drawdown, maybe you'd have like 1,430 or 1,200. Now you're fucking going to be nervous when you take trades. If I were you, I would trade smaller, take smaller size on. What time can you, Ron? Hey, Ron, rewind a minute. Chevy Flames. Anthony Cooper, what up, man? Speaking of which, not yet. Hopefully soon. I'm hoping I can request it within the next 15 minutes. No, that's not Blackout News Network. That would be Blackout Newts Network. Guys, just hit him up privately. Hit him up, send him a DM. You guys know his fucking shit. I'm guessing if you guys like, I'm guessing it's something personal that he had to do it. Or some shit. I don't know. Cajun, what up? Yeah. I want some mentoring on how to grow my channel to 600,000 subscribers. Although I have an idea. I need some mentoring on how to guess my way in and guess my way out. Someone's gonna do it. Any change to my prop firm rankings from when to when? Didn't you ask me like 2 days ago, Freeper? I'm literally trading with the same firms. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeday, Lucid, Bullinox. I will start trading with them again now that I got Tradecopia. I haven't been able to configure it yet. I got to set it up. I'll do that over the weekend. And if my fund of futures comes out with a really good promotion or a better plan, I'll be back to trading with them. Oh, I feel like someone asked me the same question. I feel like a few days ago, but no, nothing's changed. I would stay far the fuck away from Topstep if I were you. They are fucking falling off a cliff. They're as bad as Funding Ticks, which is now out of business. Tactical, just take your time, bro. Remember what I said. Wait for the setup that could give you 500 to 1,000 and take that. You'll get your 150 a lot easier. Whatever. He doesn't. I don't think he deserves it. Just fucking be better. But he was a fucking cocky prick about everything. Keep jabbing, guys. Keep jabbing. Were they even streaming today? Uh-oh. Old man Withers is here. Old man Withers. You hear his fucking knuckles dragging on the fucking wood floor? Because he was out on the streets for so long, like his pads for his nails got longer. So we can't cut them as short. What's up, bro? This guy, the old man. What up? He's not even the oldest dog we have. Penelope's the oldest. Yeah, I get it, bro. I don't really wish ill will on anybody. What about all the people that work there? What about all the quality people that work there? You know what I mean? They're going to be collateral damage. There's a lot of cool people. There's a lot of cool people that work at Topstep. All of the ones I interacted with are super chill. So it would suck if that were to happen with them. Where's mommy?
I know.
Oh, you're here? Okay. Oh yeah, mop that floor,
No,
girl.
don't shut me.
So glad I gotta pee again. Shit. Thanks for sending me out for chicken. Making me miss the best fucking trade of the day. I'll be right back. Okay, chat? Fucking coffee, man. I broke the seal, you know? But yeah, you know the whole Topstep thing? Not only do the quality people that work there deserve it, but what about all the traders? Do any of the traders deserve for them to go down? No. But yeah, I mean, it's all the shit that was talked and all this, that, and the other thing. I mean, you know when it started, the bad juju started for them is when they rug pulled all the other firms that they let offer it. I'm sure they were paying them or whatever, but they rug pulled all the fucking firms that were letting people use Project SlipX. There was a lot of firms that offered it. And I think they're using that data against everybody now and saying people fucking are fucking hedging. Gotta turn this fan on. Right, Penelope? Right? That's fucking juju for you, man. Tactical, bro. I mean, only because you say you will. You start trading funded take profit trader accounts on Monday. I'll fuck that up in the first trade. Only because you said so. You are hung by the tongue. You were snared by the words of your mouth. Why not say something positive about yourself? Like, I can't wait to trade these and fucking grow them. Ebenar, what up? What up? Baseballing with ease. Next week, if I get approved on all of these accounts I'm requesting payouts on, if I get approved on all these payouts, we'll be doing a nice one. We'll be giving away fucking funding Tix accounts, Talladega Nights accounts. We're going to fucking give it all away. What happened with Topstep, Ebenar? They literally are fucking terminating people's accounts, saying that they hedged like a year ago or 6 months ago or 3 months ago. Today they're doing it, though. They literally fucking fucked thousands of people out of payouts or funded accounts or whatever. They're fucking pulling up receipts from fucking who knows when, from fucking 2021. Yeah, they're fucking dropping like a rock. You only do shit like that if you're running into cash flow issues. Trojan horse, Rick. Is it possible to come back with only 500 drawdown? Yeah. Yeah. You got to give yourself some breathing room first before you taking any bigger shots. I mean, you could be right? You could take a big shot and be right on the first try. You could also be wrong, and then that account is gone. Fuck yeah, Jamal. Good shit. Yeah, I've done it plenty of times. Yeah, Carl's. It's doable. You just got to be careful. You got to be careful. Save it for CPI. I don't think you could trade CPI with you can't trade CPI with Take Profit Trader. Yeah, Jamal, usually with my funded futures, it'll hit rise within 5 or 10 minutes. Yeah, look at that, JP. Yeah, see, it's doable. It's not something you want to do, but it's doable. Blackout News Network, no problem. Just take your time. Wait for good setups. Build yourself a buffer. Give yourself some more wiggle room, even if it takes a few days. Maybe get a couple $100 a day until you're back to $1,000 in drawdown, and then maybe take a shot. Yeah, now we take Profit Trader. Yep. I trade, yeah, bro. It happens. I blew my 5 funded flex accounts on day 3 over some bullshit yesterday. Or no, it was Wednesday night. Over some bullshit, and it happened quick. Yeah, just build the accounts. I want to request so bad. Just build your accounts. Forget about the day 1 payouts. Also, like a lot of times if like you're fucking trading or maybe it's like a really good trade, you had a nice fucking trade, like it's time to move on from that account in most cases. Come on, baby. I think it's going to be in like 5 minutes. I feel like in 5 or 6 minutes I'll be able to request. If not, I probably won't be able to request until after fucking 5:30, and I got to make my update videos. I make all my update videos. I just never upload them. I'll upload some over the weekend. Come on, baby. If you guys are not in the best fucking community on these prop firm streets, here's the link. It's free. Yeah, you don't need to trade that shit all day. Like if you're up, like you were up $1,000, it doesn't matter now, right? It's over. But next time you're up $1,000, maybe it's like, okay, I'm fucking done. That was a great stretch of trading. I'm done. And if you get the itch later on in the day, trade a fucking eval. Get an eval and trade an eval. Yeah, simplistic. That's the idea. Give yourself some serious momentum. I'm going to be doing it again with Take Profit Trader. My goal for this month, aside from just getting as many payouts as possible from Apex, was to get 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. So we're good there. Again, right? Be back to having 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. So this is day 5. I got my flip day in. Have 3 funded Tradeday accounts, and have 5 funded Lucid accounts, Flex accounts, not daily payouts, but I still like them. Every 5 days is pretty good too. I had the funded Flex accounts and I fucked them up the other day, so now I'm working to get them back. Wow, look at gold. Gold fucking popped. Gold. Oh, you know what I forgot to look at? If you go from this right here, this high, from this low, you're at the 707 right now. All right. I have this fucking trade going on too. Am I still in? Oh, I got fucking liquidated, you piece of shit. This thing literally came within like $2 or $3. I didn't get liquidated. I got taken out. I got stopped out. So I was in a long with ZEC, ZEC, it's Zcash. I got liquidated. I literally got bottom ticked on Sol. I fucking hate trading Solana. So the last 3 trades I took here, I got 331. I lost 240. This is in my Mexi account. And then I ended up with 461 on this. I was up as much as 687, but I raised my stop to make sure I got something. This is a good trade. It basically wiped out this, and I got another $220 on top of it. So on the last 3 trades, I'm net fucking 300 and what? $550. I'll take it. This is only the last couple of days. There were other trades, but for whatever reason, it doesn't show everything. Oh, there's some more. There we go. I like trading fucking gold. I don't know why it doesn't show everything. Because there's like a time limit. I wasn't trading my personal account a lot with crypto lately. I was trading an account I have with somebody else, like a joint account, which is doing pretty good. But I'll take that. $550 in the last few days. When did I take? Hold on. Position history. February 1st. Literally in the last fucking 6 days, I grew this by $550 day trading. Anyway, can we fucking request yet? Let's see. Oh, I'll give it a few more minutes and then I gotta bounce. Carlos, yeah, I know. I'm not running. I'm not growing the shit too much. Oh, you talking about like showing on the stream? This isn't like that. It's not like it's not like it's MetaMask. I don't even have MetaMask installed on this fucking computer. It's just Mexi. It's just an exchange. Yeah, simplistic. Yeah, of course. What if you're just doing $100 a day with 15 accounts? Right? That let you pay yourself every day if you wanted to. That's $1,500 a day. Just with $100 a fucking account. Come on, baby. Let me request. Please. I don't know if it's going to let me. I might have to wait. So I'll do it off stream. I'll do it. Maybe I could do it while I'm making my video. I don't know. I'll give it a couple more minutes and then I'm going to bounce. If you got to bounce, thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Use my code to grab accounts with Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeday, Bullinox, Lucid, My Fund the Futures. 40% off Lucid, any type of account, any type of eval, any size. 50% off if you've never had an account with them before. 30% after that if you use up your 5 uses this month. 40% off Take Profit Trader with no activation fee. 40% off Tradeday with no activation fee. 50% off if you're a first-time user. Apex is 80% off now. They brought back a sale, 80% off. I don't even know what Bullinox is. They probably brought back like 83% or some shit. I got to hit them up and get my code set up. My Fund the Futures, depending on what type of account you get and how many times you got that account, you could save anywhere from 20 to 50% with my code 0DayJ. $60. You have to grow at $20,000. That's fucking crazy. But yeah, you still have it. That's a cool little side piece project. You know what I mean? That's not a bad thing. You still have the account. That's what really matters. How hard can it be? That's not bad. Just take your time. Like, just, take your time. That's all. All right, 225. They're not going to let me request until later. It used to be able to request like 10 to 20 minutes after the market closed. I don't know what's going on the last couple of days. One more minute, and then I'm getting off. I mean it this time. I mean it. Oh, also, depending on what type of account you like to trade, resetting the larger size accounts is cheaper than buying new ones. So keep that in mind also. Come on. One more refresh. All right, it ain't happening. I got to make my videos. All right, guys, I got to bounce. Thanks for hanging out and waiting with me. I'll post a screenshot in the Discord or on Twitter. If you're not in the Discord yet and you want to hang out with the best fucking community, here's the link. Here's the link. It's right here. It's free for now. One more refresh for the road. Nope, ain't happening. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of your day. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my streams or any of my updates. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. I'll be on for Power Hour Monday. Maybe I'll be on Sunday night during Asia or the Open or something. I'll try. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest.